Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to find your search history in Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the Facebook website. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, click on your profile photo located in the top right corner to open your profile. Step 3. Next, click on the Photos tab on your profile page. Step 4. Look for the 3 dots icon and click on it to access additional options. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log to view your Facebook activity. Step 6. Now, click on Your Search History to specifically view the searches you've made on Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully found your search history in Facebook on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video, and have a great day.